We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam on an HP Color LaserJet Pro M452. So the first thing you want to do is pull your tray out. If you don't see any paper here, like right here, then go ahead and pull it all the way out. And you want to take a look in there. I have a paper jam currently, so I can show you how to remove it. You never want to pull the paper out from here because if you just pull it out, you're going against the natural paper path and that could damage sensors, causing further damage to your printer. So you want to go ahead and push your tray in. And what you're going to want to do is pull this door down. As you can see right here, I have a paper jam. And if I just pull up and out slowly, I will not go against the paper path. You just pull gently and you've cleared your jam. As you can see, sometimes it can rip paper, so that's why you want to be very careful when you're pulling it out. You don't want to leave a little piece in there causing further damage. So then you just shut your door, then your printer will start initializing again. If you're still having paper jams, go ahead and give us a call. It might be time to put in a service. If you're in need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.